Mexico's Day of the Dead celebrations are considered a cultural heritage by the United Nations. But this year, the celebrations are muted due to the pandemic. A museum in Mexico has decided to honor the doctors, nurses and other medical staff who are on the front line of this battle against COVID-19. Here's a report. A museum in Mexico City opened its doors with a Day of the Dead offering. The offering at Museo del Carmen is special this year, as it is dedicated to the health workers who are on the front line of the battle against the coronavirus pandemic.
We wanted to honor health workers because they have faced this disease during this pandemic and have risked their lives for us. And we illustrate a very beautiful destination which includes warriors and women who died in childbirth.
Day of the Dead is a pre-Hispanic tradition. Mexicans believe that the dead return once a year from the underworld.
These souls help the sun to set and go through the underworld to come out again. And here we show they had certain characteristics. The disease became small hummingbirds who returned to earth. And it was as though they returned and they could see the flowers and people knew they were their dead who had come back to life in some way.
Visitors say the offering has forced them to value moments in their own life.
We have to reflect from this experience and value the moments, and there is precisely a section that impressed me because in other offerings they are not mentioning COVID, but here they are reflecting. So I think it's great. They are not avoiding what is happening, but they have included it and have drawn attention to it.
With the pandemic still afflicting much of Mexico, celebrations this year are a little more somber. The usual social gatherings and events have been restricted due to social distancing guidelines.
We needed spaces like these, keeping a safe distance, following protocols, so that we are able to visit and relive some of the experiences that we had every year on the Day of the Dead.
Mexico has reported more than 900,000 cases of COVID-19. The death toll in the country has crossed the 90,000 mark. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.
Co-presented by Skoda. Simply clever.